Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can install and run Java file. So to run our Java file, first we have to install Java JDK. Then we have to install Eclipse IDE. So with the help of Eclipse IDE, we are going to compile our Java file. So first let us download Java JDK. For that, just open your favorite browser and search for Java JDK 9. So see, this Java JDK 9 is the newest version of Java. So just open the first link. Don't worry, link will be on the description box. So here you can find that Java SC Development Kit 9 download. So here we have to accept license agreement, then only we can download our file. And here you have to select your operating system. So my operating system is Windows, so I'm going to download this Windows file. And here you can find that Java JDK 9 file is downloading. So it is around 376 MB. It will take some time depending upon your internet speed. So our Java JDK file is downloaded. Let's open the file. Then just click on yes. So here we get installation wizard. So let me minimize the browser and let me click on next. Don't change any setting, just keep it default, then click on next. And it's going to install Java JDK 9 on your system. After that, you will be on the custom setup page. Just click on next. And now it's installing Java JDK 9 on our system. So here you can see that 3 million devices run Java. So if you are interested to learn Java programming, just subscribe my channel and check the playlist Java tutorial for beginners. So here we can find that Java JDK 9 is successfully installed on our system. So just click on close. Don't click on this next step. Just click on close. So we had successfully installed Java JDK 9 on our system. So see, by just downloading and installing Java JDK 9 on your system, your Java file will not be compiled. For that, we have to set path variable. To set path variable, just go to search and search for cmd and open this command prompt. To find out whether your Java JDK file is installed or not, for that just write command java-version, then hit enter. So here you can find that Java version is 9.0.4. So that means Java JDK 9 is installed on our system. So now let us check whether Java compiler is installed on our system or not. So let me write Java C. So this Java C is a Java compiler which compile Java files. So let me hit enter. So here you can find that Java C is not recognized as an internal or external command. So for that, we have to set path variable. So let me close this command prompt and search for system. When you try to type system, here you will find suggestion. Under this setting tab, just click on system. So it will bring you to control panel. After that, on left hand side, here you will find advanced system setting. And here you can find environment variable. Just click on environment variable, then click on path, then click on edit. And here we have to add our path where we had installed Java JDK 9. For that, just go to your C drive, then go to program file, then search for Java folder. So here we have Java folder. Let me open this Java folder. So here we get two folders. One is Java JDK 9 and another one is Java JRE 9. So this JDK stands for Java Development Kit and this JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. So we have to give this both path to this environment variable. First, let me go to Java JDK folder and here you will find bin folder. Just go to bin folder and copy the path. Then go to environment variable and just click on new and here you can paste that path. And again we have to set path variable for Java JRE. Just open Java JRE folder, then go to bin folder, then copy the path. And on this environment variable, just click on new, then add that path. Then click on OK. Again click on OK, then click on OK. So now let me close this control panel and again let me open command prompt. So let us search for cmd and let us open our command prompt. So now let us try to find whether our compiler is installed or not. So first let us check Java version. So see, Java is successfully installed on a system. Now let us check whether our Java compiler is working or not. For that, just write Java C. So when you find bunch of stuff, that means Java compiler is successfully installed on our system. So let me close this. So now we had just installed Java JDK on our system. So now we have to write our Java file and we have to compile the file. For that we need IDE. So the famous IDE for Java development is called Eclipse IDE. So open your favorite browser and search for Eclipse IDE. Then just go to Eclipse download. Then here you will find download button. Just click on this download. That will bring you to this page. Just click on this download button. It's going to download an exe file. So here you can find that Eclipse installer is downloading. So it is around 46 MB. So it will take 1 to 2 minutes to download the file. So our download has been completed. Let's open the downloaded file. So here we get Eclipse installer. So with the help of this Eclipse installer, we are going to install Eclipse IDE for Java development. So for now, I'm just going to minimize my browser. So just click on this hamburger menu and here you will find update notification. Just click this update. So it will check whether new Eclipse version is available to install or not. So our Eclipse installer is updated. So let's click on OK and it will restart your Eclipse installer. So this Eclipse IDE is available for different programming languages such as Java, C++, PHP, JavaScript and other programming languages. So for now we need Eclipse IDE for Java developers. So we are going to download this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Just click on this and here it will automatically detect your product version, your Java version and your installation folder. Just click on install. So it's going to install. It will take some time depending upon your internet speed. So our Eclipse IDE for Java developers is installed on our system. So just click on launch. So the latest version of Eclipse is Oxygen 2. So just select your workspace location where you want to save your Java files. For now, I'm just going to keep it default. Then click on launch. So here we have welcome screen. So let me close this welcome screen. So here I already have one test.java file. So I'm just going to show you how you can create a new Java project on this Eclipse IDE. For that, just click on file, then click on new. And here just select Java project and give some project name. Say for example, my Java. Then click on next. Then click on finish. So it will create you a Java project called my Java. So just click this arrow key and here you will find source folder. Just right click on this source, click on new, then click on package. And here let me give my package name. Say for example app. Then click on finish. After that, right click on this app package. Then click on new, then click on class. Just give some name to your class. Say for example test. And here just select public static void. Then click on finish. So in this way we can create a simple Java project. So here let me write something. So to print something on your console, we have to use system.out.println. And between this bracket we have to write our comment. Say for example welcome to Eclipse IDE, and here we have to put semicolon. So to run your Java file, just click on this run button and then click on OK. So here on your console, here you will find welcome to Eclipse IDE. So this way you can run your Java program on Eclipse IDE. So by using this Eclipse IDE, you can write your Java file and compile your Java file. So I hope you got idea how you can install Java and run your Java files using Eclipse IDE. So if you are interested in learning Java programming, just subscribe my YouTube channel and follow Java tutorial for beginner playlist. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more programming videos like this. Bye for now. See you in next video.